Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and this is the CP GP9 with a chopped nose, and it has been rebuilt. But what's interesting here is on this side you have that winterized window there, and basically it's just a little bit of an extra window where you could have a little bit more view without you kind of poke your head out without actually getting cold. And over here you can see the RDC4. This is an older 1950s built diesel unit, passenger car basically. Needs to be restored more. Could use a repainting at least. That's stainless steel, so that'll last forever. The hump on the top there is where the motor would have been. Has exhaust fans in there. Very interesting unit. And here this is a GE 90-tonner. GE 90-ton locomotive. So it needs a lot of love, this. And it's got some old cars here, along with it some box cars, outside braced box cars from like the turn of the century, from like the early 1900s. CN would have used these on their Prince Edward Island Railway. Now the red is faded, but should be more of a red than pink. Here's another locomotive I would really like to see them get running again. It's a small locomotive. It would be really cool if they could do that. I think it's a really neat piece of rolling stock. Very well used. Other railroads in North America would have used it also. For switchers, a lot of short lines had them, and there is actually examples of this still being run today in Modesto, California, or at least they still were up until about 2010, I think. Maybe they still run, maybe they don't, I don't know, but they were pretty old, almost 100 years old. They would be let's see, in the 50s, so it'd be good 70 years old. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.